Sikund sekondar ma St. Paul Omanayo manie kaunti ma Nyamira kwano lal bang' masira mar mach manyo owang'o od nindo mar jopuonjre okinyi manyoro. Pok oyangore gima di nyokel masira no manyo ochakore kar saa 10 mar kogwen kendo okelo lal ne jopuonjre ma ok tin ne 135. Director mar chenro mar somo e kaunti ma Nyamira Zakari Mutwiri okoni onge jopuonjre manyo oyudo hinyruok. Jaod bura ma kono Patrick Osero okwayo mondo mi oru nonro mar yango gimanyo kelo masira no.
From the preliminary investigations, we are ruling out any case of electric fault. So it must be any other causes within the school, and we will leave the teachers, the quality assurance to carry out the assessment and investigations to determine who exactly was the culprit or a group of students who may be acting to destabilize our learning institutions.
Mine is to appeal to the investigative authorities to quickly and urgently institute investigations and come out with the results of these investigations. We had a similar incident in Kiabonyoru Girls. We are yet to know what the investigators found out there. Now, this is the second one. Omunayo is barely 3-4 kilometers from Kiabonyoru Girls. We have ruled out electrical fault. That one is totally ruled out. So we are detecting some kind of malice